Hello friends, myself Jitendra Kumar Mahapatra welcome you all to your channel The Utkal Investor. Today we are going to discuss about Manappuram Finance, which is one of the leading gold loan NBFC in India. VP Nandakumar is the Chief Executive Officer and the Managing Director of the company. The company was founded in 1949 by his father. Mr. Nandakumar took over the reins in 1986. Since then, it has been a story of unparalleled growth and many milestones being crossed. The company was incorporated in 1992 and since then it is growing at a rapid pace. To this day, the company has 4,622 branches all over the country. The company has been a pioneer in every segment of their businesses. Let it be marketing, finance, product or technology. They have been the innovators in each of the segments. Over the last few years, the company is diversifying into different businesses like the microfinance, vehicle, home finance and SME. The gold finance business, which is 70% of the company's portfolio, has generally less than 3 months tenure for consumers, whereas the company's borrowing is long-term in nature, which is a good hedge for any short-term liquidity fluctuations. The gold loan business in India is growing at a healthy rate of 13%. But in this COVID-19 era, it is expected to grow at a faster rate because access to funds via gold loan is very convenient for consumers, and the company, for the company, it is least risk for the chance of not recovering it. Because at the worst case, the company can auction the gold in the open market, which is very easy to liquidate. Moreover, after the arrival of COVID-19, the gold price has rallied by more than 40% and is expected to rally even more as central banks around the globe are on a gold buying spree. This is a very good news for companies like Manappuram Finance. This would set the platform for a rapid pace of growth. The microfinance portfolio of Manappuram is around 20% of the total portfolio, which is growing at a spectacular rate of 30% CAGR annually. The other 10% of the portfolio consists of vehicle, home finance and SME. Apart from gold loan business, these segments are going to be the main profit driver for the company in the future. Manappuram came up with its IPO in 1995 at just rupees 10. Since then, the company has served its shareholders spectacularly. 1 lakh invested in Manappuram in 1995 is worth more than 1.3 crores today. If we look at the past numbers, the company has been performing spectacularly, and in the future also, it is expected to stand tall on all frontiers. In the financial year of 2020, the company has increased the sales by 33% and the profit by magnificent 60%. And more importantly, the net profit margin, which was around 15% in 2015, has grown to 27% in 2020. So almost a 90% increase in the net profit margin within a span of 5 years. This is spectacular for any business. They are controlling their cost and improving their profit day by day. The return on equity is 25.5, which is again spectacular. And as I am recording this video, the price of the company, the stock is trading at 160 rupees, which is 11 times earnings and 2.4 times the book value. So from valuation perspective, the present price is very good to enter. But as I have been telling in all my videos, in the recent videos, that the overall market, the Sensex and Nifty is very much overvalued fundamentally. So it would not be wise to invest a lump sum money on the stock at the moment. Investors should accumulate the stock in a staggered manner, spreading their buying over a period of time to take the advantage of the upcoming volatility in the market. The stock has the ability to become a multi-bagger from here on, as it has done in the past. To get more such analysis, please do subscribe to the channel and please share the videos as much as possible. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.